Hello student, welcome to another video from EduJob. Today we are going to study figure of speech. A figure of speech make up a huge portion of English language, making it more creative, more expressive and just more interesting. So, first of all, I will define what is a figure of speech. So, what is a figure of speech? A figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses a separate meaning from its literal definition. So, student, there is a lot of figure of speech and poetic devices. We will complete one by one. So, let's start the first figure of speech, simile. Our first figure of speech is simile. In Hindi, it's called Upma Alankar. A simile is a figure of speech in which a comparison is made between two different objects which have at least one point common. It is introduced by using comparative word as, like or so. I hope it would be clear. And look at the example. Life is like a dream. Life is like a dream. As you can see here is a comparison between two different objects and one point common. And I have used here as like, here as a like. The word like also used here. I hope it would be clear. The sibling would be clear. Now the next figure of speech is metaphor. Metaphor in Hindi is called Rupak Alankar. So, metaphor is a figure of speech in which a comparison is made between two different objects without using comparative word as, like or so. For example, life is dream. Yes, student, as you can see here, here is a comparison, but without using the comparative word as, like and so. Life is dream. So, next figure of speech is personification. Personification. Suppose personification in Hindi is called मानवीयकरण अलंकार. Means yes, you can take it मान के करो. मानवीयकरण अलंकार. This figure of speech is मान के करो. It means suppose a person. So, personification is a figure of speech in which lifeless object or abstract ideas are thought as a living being. For example, love is blind. Our next figure of speech is apostrophe. In Hindi, it's called Sambodhan Alankar. Apostrophe is a direct address to the dead, to the absent idea. For example, O word, O life, O time. Next figure of speech is oxymoron. In Hindi, it's called Virodhabhas Alankar. Oxymoron is a figure of speech in which two opposite ideas are put together. For example, life is bitter sweet. Like we are getting here the opposite ideas, bitter, sweet. Our next figure of speech is hyperbole, अतिशयुक्त अलंकार. Hyperbole is a figure of speech in which two things or person are represented as greater, better, or worse than they actually are. For example, she wept ocean of tears. I hope hyperbole figure of speech is clear. Our next figure of speech is onomatopoeia, ध्वनि सूचक अलंकार. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech in which sound suggests its meaning. For example, dog barks. So I hope it would be clear. Sound. If you will get sound in any poem, so it means the poet has used onomatopoeia. So students, our next figure of speech is alliteration. When two or more than two words begin with the same letters or same syllable, it is known as alliteration. For example, how high his highness. As you can see here, H is sound repeating, so it means it is alliteration. So student, our next figure of speech is repetition. In repetition, a word is repeated many times for expressing intense feeling. For example, a little grave, a little grave. I hope the concept of repetition would be clear for you. So, our next figure of speech is assonance. In assonance, vowel sounds are repeated in a line. Dear, come near, and fear not. I hope it would be clear. For example, dear, EA, come near, again EA, near, and fear not. In fear also EA. As you can see here, the vowel sound repeating, so it means this is a example of assonance. I hope it would be clear. So student, I hope the definition of all the figure of speech would be clear. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment box. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. If you like my video, hit the like button. Thank you.